Welcome back to another soap making video. Today I'm going to be making my conversation heart soap. So I already made the conversation hearts using the extruder disc and stamps you just saw. So those made those hearts. I have another video that I will link in here that show how I made the hearts. But today I'm making the actual batch. So you see all those hearts down on the side. I extruded those using the 4 different sized hearts that I made. It was a lot of work and I made 2 batches of this. So I did a lot of extruding of the hearts and elements. It was worth it, but yeah, that was probably more work than actually making the conversation hearts. I am simply pouring this into a white base and putting in the hearts, adding a little more soap, putting in the hearts, adding a little more soap. So again, it's a very simple design to make. It just has a lot of elements and takes a little bit of time. Definitely time, multiple days to make this. So this first batch I had about 14 strips of hearts, and I decided that I wanted a few more hearts in the second batch I made, so there's about 18 in there. It was a lot of hearts. After I poured the base, embedded the hearts, I then embedded the conversation hearts on top. At first I was just going to do 2 hearts, but as I was making this, I had enough to do more, and I decided that I liked it with 4, filling the entire bar, the length of the bar. I think it just looked cuter. So more work, but you know me. I'm never deterred by a design that takes a lot of work. Generally, it's kind of a requirement when I'm making soaps. So you can see in this cut that a lot of the hearts did group together in a bunch a bit. I was actually okay with that. I think it's really cute and I was happy with it. I had one last element I wanted to add to the soaps. So I did embed a couple larger hearts, and when I cut them, I stamped those so that you saw the conversation hearts on top, and then you got one conversation heart on the face of the bar. I think it pulled it all together, and I liked it. So there you have it, my conversation heart soaps. A lot of work went into them. I had to make the conversation hearts one day, extrude all the hearts another, make the actual batch, cut the batch, and then stamp it. These were worth it though. Let me know what you think. I hope you like them as much as I do.